What if your spouse or your ex-spouse dies before they ever started drawing their Social Security? How does that impact your ability to draw spousal benefits off of the spouse? Stay tuned. So Social Security bases the amount of money you're going to get off your top 35 highest years of earnings, okay? You don't have to work 35 years. You only have to work 10 years, but they're gonna base it off your top 35 highest years. So as you keep working, these high years will knock off these low years. Okay, so what happens if you look at your statement today? Your statement's gonna give you a projection based on the fact what you're making now, based on if you keep working, and that goes all the way up here until your retirement. So I get people that go, hey, what they projected, I'm not getting. Well, that's because they projected it, and you actually started working half time the last 5 years, right? Or so that's why it's a projection before you actually start taking it. Okay, so I want to take it off of my ex-spouse. A lot of you are in this position and you don't want to ask your ex-spouse, hey, how much are you going to make? How much are you going to be able to draw, right? You don't have a relationship. You can't just pick up the phone and call him. You can pick up the phone and call your local Social Security office. I said local. Don't call the national number. You'll be online over an hour and you get irritated. Call your local office, any local office in the country. Call early in the morning and ask them. Now, they're not just going to tell you some guy's information unless you can prove you have the right to that information, which means you're going to have to fax them your marriage license. It's going to be a certified copy. You have to fax them your divorce decree, okay? Then they know that you have the ability to access his information, and they're going to tell you how much you're going to be able to draw off of your spouse or your ex-spouse, the one you can't talk to. You cannot draw off your spouse or your ex-spouse until he is at least 62, okay? But he dies at 61. How much can you draw? So a lot of people are saying, well, I can't draw at all because he died before he was eligible. No, you're still going to be able to, he's already paid in for all those years, right? So they will give you how much money that pool of money that he built up, and you will be able to draw off of that. So if you're a survivor now, because he's passed away, survivor, either you're married, it was your spouse, or it was your qualifying ex-spouse. It means you were married at least 10 years. You're not currently remarried. You've watched my other videos, you know that. You're able to get 100% of what he was actually drawing. Okay, so this guy didn't draw yet. He died before he was drawing. But if he was actually drawing, he was drawing at 62. That means he took it early. He wasn't his full retirement age. If he would have waited till his full retirement age, over here at closer to 67, that would have been 100% of what he could have drawn off of his own contributions. In which case you could have gotten 50% of that 100%, but he didn't. He drew it as soon as he possibly could, all the way up here at age 62. He drew it early, so he's going to get about a 30% reduction. He dies, so you're only eligible to get what he was actually getting. You can get 100% of what he was actually getting, which is reduced. Now, this is the I gotcha. If you draw it early too, you're not your full retirement age, there's going to be another reduction because you're taking it early. You're not waiting until your full retirement age. So if you want to max out your survivor benefits on your spouse or your ex-spouse, you wait until you reach your full retirement age. You can put it in Google, put your birthday and ask what's your full retirement age. Google will tell you, but it's going to be 66 in so many months. If you were born after 1960, it will be, everybody levels out, will all be full retirement age at 67. So I hope this video helped. If you have more questions about survivor benefits, widow benefits, ex-spouse survivor benefits, put them in the comments below or contact us here at themedicarefamily.com. You never pay extra to work with us, and we're happy to help.